Senior Meghalaya Congress leader and candidate for Millennium Assembly constituency, Ronnie V. Lingdor, expressed apprehension that Common University Entrance Test (CUET) will be implemented in the new academic session, alleging that there is an attempt to do away with reservation in the education sector through this backdoor policy with the implementation of CUET. Lingdor said, to get admission into a college, one has to undergo CUET tests, and if a student fails in the test, the future will be blamed.
Seats outside the state. How many parents will be able to send their children to study outside the state? Second, if they fail, will they be able to still continue with their studies? I think, common man understanding, if you fail an entrance test, you don't get admission. Okay. What we fear the most is this is a backdoor policy to do away with reservation quota for the tribal students.
Another chance for all the 5